So I told you guys the other day that I became an Amazon influencer, and I'm really, really excited about that because I get to share lots of cool things with you and show you all of the great products that you can buy on Amazon. And I get to put them all in a showroom so that you can go and grab them for yourselves, which makes it really, really easy. Today we're going to talk about these bowls. They are the stacking bowls, if you can see them right here. And I'm really excited about them because for, well, two reasons. One is, first of all, you get 6 of them. They range in size from this being the smallest to this one, which is the biggest, and everything kind of in between. So I really like that. And another thing that I really like about them is they all have their own covers. So we have little small covers like this for the little small bowl, and they're all color coordinated. But the thing about covers is most covers don't stick really well, or the lids aren't solid enough to go through the dishwasher, and they come out warped and you lose them. These actually nest inside one another, which you can see right here. So they go right under your set of bowls in the cabinet, just sort of like this, really easily. But also they're very, very tight when you put them on. So you can actually put stuff in the bowls and flip them upside down without worrying that the lid is going to come off. As you can see, it doesn't come off. The other really cool thing about these, they're all color coded on the bottom. So the color coding on the bottom matches the color lid that you use, but that's not really actually the best part about that. If you have granite countertops like me, it's really, really hard to listen to your hand mixer as it's like mixing in the bowl. And it kind of makes this grinding noise that not everybody likes. I definitely don't like it. The fact that these are silicone coated on the bottom makes it really cool because they don't slip on the counter. Like you can see I'm pressing on it, it's not moving. But also it doesn't make that noise. It's definitely much better sounding. And again, the covers fit really tight on top. They come in all sorts of sizes, like I said at the beginning. The covers I have put through the dishwasher already, and I had no problem with them, although they do tell you to wash them by hand, but they're top shelf dishwasher safe, no problem. I don't have a single warped one. Those are the two littlest bowls. I'm gonna just put them all out here for you. This is the middle, and then we have this green one. And again, the color coding on the bottom matches the color lid, so you can just grab them as you go. And then we have the two biggest ones, which is red and yellow. And I'm gonna put those over here for you as well. And let me just put the lids on them. And like I said, it's a little tough to get the lids on because they don't come off. So this is the full set right here. There are 6 of them. And it's super, super nice to have in your kitchen. I definitely recommend them. They will be on my storefront. I will also link about them in a Instagram and Facebook post so that you can get to the link there. All of my links are in my bio, so you can get to any of my social media channels, the blog, the website, and also my Amazon store. So I just wanted to take a little bit of time to bring these to you because I thought that they were a really great buy. They're right around $30, and that is the deal with the bowls. As always, if you like what you saw here and you want to see more products and projects, make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe down below so you don't miss a minute. I'm Melissa Evergreen. I'll see you in the next video.